Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate percentage discounts in Google Sheets, just like you might need to do in a classroom setting or for a real-world shopping list. By the end of this lesson, you'll easily find out how much you're saving and what you'll actually pay for any sale item. Whether you're a student working on a project or someone brushing up on these skills for everyday life, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's jump right into the spreadsheet. Imagine you're looking at a list of items for sale, things like t-shirts, jeans, sneakers, all with different original prices and different discount percentages. The goal here is to figure out two things for each item, the actual discount amount and what the final price will be after the discount is applied. First up, let's calculate the discount amount. You'll see columns labeled item, original price, discount percent, discount amount, and final price. Say our t-shirt is originally priced at $500 and it has a 20% discount. In Google Sheets, to work out what 20% off 500 is, we want to multiply the original price by the discount percentage. In your discount amount column for the t-shirt row, you'll use a formula that looks like equals B2 asterisk C2. Here, B2 is pointing to the original price and C2 is the discount percent. So essentially, Sheets will multiply 500 by 0.2, which gives us 100. This means you're saving 100 on the t-shirt. And don't worry if the numbers look like decimals at first, you can always format the cell as currency or a whole number for clarity. If you're ever unsure which cell is which, just check your headers and make sure your formula references match up. This is key to getting accurate results across the board. Now this same principle applies to every other item in the list. For jeans, which might cost $1,200 at a 15% discount, the formula would be equals B3 asterisk C3. The cool thing about Google Sheets is that you can just drag your formula down from the top, and it'll automatically adjust for each new row, making this process super quick, especially when you're handling a long shopping list. Once you have the discount amount, the next step is to find out the final price for each item. That's what you'll actually pay at checkout. This is just the original price minus the discount amount. For our t-shirt example, this would be equals B2D2. So the original price of 500 minus the 100 discount gives us a final price of 400. Pretty straightforward, right? And again, you can copy this formula down the column, so every item's final price is calculated instantly. Take a moment to check over your formulas, especially if you see numbers that don't look quite right. A quick double check can save a lot of confusion later. Also remember, the discount percent values should be entered as decimals in the cell, like 0.2 for 20% or formatted appropriately, otherwise the math won't work out as expected. This way of calculating percentage discounts is super handy, not just for classroom lessons, but for real life whenever you're out hunting for deals, tracking sales, or even helping a friend budget. So that's all there is to it. Multiply the original price by the discount percent to get your discount amount, then subtract that from the original price to see your final price. Easy as that. If this tutorial helped you out, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really does support the channel. And if you have any questions about using formulas in Google Sheets or there's another spreadsheet trick you'd like to learn, drop me a comment below. Make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.